Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by wiring state and an effect. Create data, loading, and error with useState, then call in a sync fetch inside useEffect. Define an abort controller and attach its signal to fetch so you can cancel stale requests. Once done, parse response, JSON, and set data. Make sure to update loading toggles before and after the await so the UI reflects progress, and catch errors to populate the error state, rather than letting unhandled rejections crash your component. Next, focus on safe and robust request composition. Build headers for tokens or API keys and serialize query params with URL search params. Use conditional retries for transient 5xx errors and handle pagination by tracking page or cursor state and appending results. Once you receive a response, check response. OK and branch for 4xx versus 5xx so you can show specific UI messages. Also, use try/catch and map errors to user-friendly strings while keeping raw diagnostic. Finally, render your data with stable keys and conditional UI for loading, empty, and error states so users always see meaningful feedback. Once done, optimize with caching or a library like React Query to dedupe, refetch, and persist data between views. Make sure to clean up abort controller on unmount. If things go wrong, inspect DevTools for CORS failures, network status, and missing authorization headers. Also verify token expiry and server JSON shape to quickly identify mismatches and fix them.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.